Sir, I'll do whatever it takes.
I'll do whatever it takes to protect our children.
Do whatever it takes. You bring him in.
I'll do whatever it takes to make you safe again.
My husband needs me. I'll do whatever it takes.
You have to show him you're still alive. I'll do whatever it takes.
Does it look like I care? Whatever it takes, all right? Whatever it takes.
Solve this. Whatever it takes.
Do whatever it takes to set that record, honey. You know how much it means to me.
I'm gonna keep this short. My little boy's out there. I'm gonna do whatever it takes to get him back.
And I will do whatever it takes to get him home. I promise you.
Do whatever it takes to keep him alive. Promise me.
It sounds like things are perfect.
Well, I'm willing to do whatever it takes to make it perfect.
And if it takes 10 years, that's how long we stay. We do whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
When Morgana is released, no matter what happens, promise me you'll do whatever it takes to destroy her.
Okay, all right, then we'll do it. Whatever it takes.
Oh, yeah. And everyone's gonna laugh at him.
And you.
I know your function, Jedburgh. This has to be cleaned up.
Whatever it takes.
Yes.
Then for God's sake, don't go. I'll moonlight, I'll sell the car. We'll work nights, weekends. Whatever it takes, little by little, we'll put something away, huh?
You have to be willing to do whatever it takes to seize your moment. I know you understand.
No! No!
This is the fight of our lives. And we're gonna win. Whatever it takes.